In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make all photos private on Facebook. To make all your photos private to make all your photos or make any individual photos to be private on Facebook, it is very simple to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Facebook account. So let's open up my Facebook. So once you open up your Facebook, you want to tap on your profile. If you check the top left corner, you're going to see the profile icon over there. Just tap on that profile icon. So once you tap on that profile icon, it will take you to your profile on Facebook. What you want to do here, you want to scroll down a little bit and tap on photos. So let's tap on photos over here. So once you tap on photos, then the next thing you want to do, you want to select the photo you want to make private. So let's select this photo. So once you open the photo you want to private, then if you check the top right corner, you are going to see 3 dots over there. I want you to tap on that 3 dots. So once you tap on that 3 dots, then it will pop up another thing for you. On this page, you want to tap on edit privacy. So let's tap on edit privacy. So once you tap on edit privacy, then it will load up this page for you. On this page, you want to change this from public to only me. Just select only me here. You can see where it says only me. Just select only me. Once you select only me, this photo will be made private from your Facebook account. That is, nobody will be able to see this photo anymore on your account. So guys, this is how to actually make all your photos private on your Facebook. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.